Action.
Ooh,
Yes.
Sunday.
Another one. How do you open it?
It's still
What do you think?
Shut.
Cool.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah, it's an iPad. Another one.
An eye what?
Pod. Touch.
Yes, it's a brand new one.
I know. Another one.
Yeah, but that one,
Will replace your other one.
yeah, all of the games that you can't play on yours
Mm-hmm.
can be played on that one.
Okay.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Hi.
It's tiny for a big gift.
It's tiny for a big gift.
I really thought this was a big gift.
Oh, there we go. Ooh,
I think the iPod back.
it's mint chocolate.
Okay.
I want to eat it.
True.
Is this Play-Doh and then
Change
you
the
can
attitude.
bake it and then you
Yeah,
can
like this.
eat it? Is this Play-Doh that you
like
can
this.
eat when you bake it? Hello, I need to answer a question.
No.